Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Analysis.com YouTube channel. Today is October the 24th, and the chart of the day for today is the Canadian dollar yen 60 minutes time frame over here. So you can see the pair is currently rallying, and the form of the rally is an impulse. This is 1, 2, presently looking to finish with 3, with a 4 and a 5 to come. So another high will finish 5 in the sub-minuet degree, and that will end with 3 in the minuet degree, and then with the 4 and a 5 to come in the blue color here before finishing C in black. Now if you can see the rally is in the form of an AP, which means that this entire rally actually is not a bullish impulse, because even though this is an impulse, but it's within a C leg of a ABC. All right, so if I zoom out and look at the 4-hour first, now you can see this is the placement of the AB, right? And currently this is 1, 2, and then now looking for 3 to finish with a 4 and 5 to come. Now potential target higher, we can simply use the extension here. So this is A and this is a B, and well, depending whether it will reach a full 100% or not, it may or may not, right? But it can go all the way up to 112.7 in case it goes to a full 100%. But if not, then we just simply need some 5 waves from here. So once we finish the 5 waves, and we can clearly see a 5-wave subdivision from the P here, then we can finish the C, and then starts to turn lower, right? Now from even a bigger perspective, if we take a look at it from this low, right? So we got this big move down here, and then we got a low on August this year. We can see since then we've been rallying, but you notice the rally here, right? What it looks to me is, like for example this leg, that one does not look impulsive, right? So you can see the subdivision here was a 3 waves, which is not an impulse. So what this is telling me is, seems like this current rally is a corrective rally, and that's also why you have an AB here. So it's a corrective rally, it's not a new impulsive move up, which means that the rally at some point is going to end, and then potentially again, if this is corrective, potentially we can turn lower and break below the low again at some point. Now that's long term, of course, right? But what will be a potential target if we look at it from the bigger perspective, from this low? Then we can use the same extension analysis. So this is going to be your let's say, because it's 3 waves, you can label this as a W, right? And then the pullback is an X. Now you notice here we have already reached the minimum target to finish, right? Now I'm not saying that we should be finishing right now, but what I'm saying is we have reached the minimum, which is the 100%, based on this one, let's call it W, and because it's 3 waves, X, and then now the Y, right? Now this can be counted as well like a flat A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then now with 5. I think that's also equally fine if you want to call it this way, right? A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you just need a 5-way subdivision to finish 5, and then you end the whole ABC, right? So you can label this, WXY or ABC, regardless how you want to label it. You can see we have reached the minimum target, basically the 100%, 161.8% extension area here. Now so that means we are kind of in the zone, in the time where the current rally actually can finish. Now, but this is an inflection zone in the 4-hour. So let's not try to pretend we can pick the exact timing, we can pick the exact level, right? Because that's kind of not possible. But we do know, timing wise, we are in the time zone where we are just waiting for the pair to turn lower. And from the level perspective, we are also already within the level, which is this level, where we are waiting for a reversal lower, right? Now, what does that mean? We cannot extend higher? No, that does not mean we cannot extend higher. Now, again, this is not about picking the exact level. It is not about picking the exact time. to the minute, but it is about knowing the zone of the time and the zone of the level where we know some sort of reversal can happen at any moment. So the bottom line is the structure may look incomplete and it may extend higher, but in the bigger time frame we are already in the zone where level wise and time wise we can start seeing a pullback anytime, any moment, right? Anytime, any moment. It doesn't matter what the 1 hour chart shows. It still can extend higher. Yes, it is logical. Structure looks incomplete, but sometimes sometimes the structure does not extend more than what you think. So meaning, because we have reached the minimum, right? Basically the higher sort of time frame supersedes the lower time frame, and in this case we know that once we reach this area, I think it's kind of risky. We could possibly start to the lower at any moment. Okay, so that is the idea here, guys, for the Canadian dollar yen. So basically we have reached the zone of inflection starting from the August 2024, but in the shorter cycle structure looks incomplete, so that's why we're still calling it higher. If you want to get more updates on the Canadian dollar yen or any other Forex commodities indices, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial and the link is in the description of the video. See you all again next time and have a nice day, everyone.